Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is cheese corn dog. Yes, that's right. So we probably have a lot of variations of corn dog all over the world, but this recipe that I'll be sharing you today is foremost the easiest and of course delicious snack recipe that you can prepare for your family. So if this is something that you wanted to learn, please keep on watching. Here are the ingredients that you need. All-purpose flour, hot dogs, cheese, breadcrumbs, sugar, egg, and salt. enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like and share. And for the complete recipe details, make sure to check on the video description below. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that little bell so you will get a notification every time we upload a new video. You can also like and follow us on our Facebook page. We are also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And for more recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. And in case you wanted to check Masflex cookware and kitchenware products, I will also add their link on the description below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye! Masflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.